In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get keyword suggestions in Semrush. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what to look for, and how to turn a single idea into a rich list of keyword opportunities. Start by logging into your Semrush account. On the left-hand panel, look for the section labeled SEO. It's marked with a small search icon. Click that, then choose Keyword Magic Tool from the options. Give the page a moment to load. This is where all the research power lives. At the top, you'll see a search field. Type a seed keyword. This is a simple, broad term that represents your topic, product, or service. If you want results tailored around a specific site, you can also enter a domain to personalize the data. Just below, choose the country or market you're targeting so the metrics reflect the right location. When you're set, click Search. You'll now see a wide range of keyword suggestions. Each row comes with useful metrics. Volume shows estimated monthly searches. KD% or keyword difficulty estimates how competitive it may be to rank. Intent helps indicate whether searchers want information, to compare options, or to buy. CPC gives a sense of advertising costs. Scan these to understand both opportunity and competition at a glance. For question-based ideas, switch to the questions view inside the Keyword Magic Tool. This filters your list to how, what, and why queries. Great for blog posts, tutorials, and FAQ sections that match natural search behavior. Next, choose your match type. Broad match casts the widest net and gives you more ideas, including variations and related terms. Phrase match narrows the list to keywords that include your seed in order, making results more relevant. Exact match is the most specific, perfect when you already know the precise term you want to target. Move between these modes to balance discovery with precision. Use filters to zero in on the best suggestions. Set ranges for volume if you prefer steady traffic. Adjust KD% to match your site's current authority, and refine by intent to align with your goals. Informational for education, transactional for sales. Include or exclude specific words to shape the list, and use CPC to spot high-value commercial terms. On the left sidebar, explore related keyword groups. These clusters organize ideas by theme and can be filtered by the number of keywords or by volume. They're a fast way to uncover subtopics, long-tail variations, and content angles you might otherwise miss. That's it. Log in, open Keyword Magic Tool, enter your seed keyword or domain, choose your country, and refine with questions, match types, filters, and sidebar groups to build a focused, actionable keyword list.